MOLLAYO. MOLLAYO. What does it mean? This is another famous Korean word. Today, on One Korean Word a Day, we're going to study about the word MOLLAYO. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 153. MOLLAYO. MOLLAYO. This is pronounced as a three-syllable word. The first syllable is mol, second syllable is la, the third syllable is yo. Pronounce it with me. MOLLAYO. The meaning of the word MOLLAYO is simply, I don't know. This is the opposite of Arasseo. This is already in casual and polite form. Now, how do we spell MOLLAYO in Hangul? Let's start with the first syllable. To be able to write the syllable mol, we need to draw first a miyum character. Next is an o character. And that is followed by a real character. For the second syllable la, we need to draw first a real character followed by an a character. For the last syllable yo, we need to draw first a no sound or placeholder iyong followed by the yo character. And then we just have to combine the hangul for each of these three syllables to form the hangul of the word MOLLAYO. And that is how you write MOLLAYO in Hangul. Now that we have an idea about the meaning of the word MOLLAYO, let's try to look into this example phrase. It says, I don't know. Again, I don't know. The Korean translation of this is also simply just MOLLAYO itself. Again, I don't know is MOLLAYO in Korean. Here are just some more information about MOLLAYO. MOLLAYO comes from the root verb moruda. Moruda means to not know. If you are familiar with the previous word discussed in the channel, you already know that we've discussed molla, and this is an informal way of saying I don't know. On this lecture, we studied MOLLAYO, and this also just means I don't know, but this is in casual and polite form. The words moruda, molla, and MOLLAYO are all discussed in the channel, and if we will compare these three, let us remember that moruda is the root verb, molla means I don't know, but it is in informal form, and MOLLAYO also means I don't know, but it is in casual and polite form. Looking back to this photo flashed at the beginning of the video, it is written there, MOLLAYO. And we already know by now that the meaning of this word is simply, I don't know. And with that, you've just learned MOLLAYO. Now let's proceed to the previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 143 to 152. Don't forget our word for today, word number 153, MOLLAYO. This means, I don't know. Word number 52 is actually the opposite of MOLLAYO. This is Arasseo, which means, I know. Word number 151 is amado, which means maybe. Word number 150 is jalgayo, and this is a Korean phrase which means goodbye or go well. Word number 149 is hanpan, which means once. Word number 148 is sarang, and this is the Korean noun for love. Word number 147 is ajama, and this is the Korean noun for an old woman, which is approximately of the same age as her mother. Word number 146 is 아저씨, and this is the Korean noun for an old man, which is approximately of the same age as our father. Word number 145 is imo, and this is the Korean noun for aunt. Word number 144 is samcheon, and this is the Korean noun for uncle. And the last for our review is word number 143, jame, and this is the Korean noun for sisters. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.